Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Beast Bites Creatine Gummies, a supplement that claims to deliver the strength and recovery benefits of creatine in a candy-like gummy form. We put this to the test to find out if they're just a hype or if they actually work. Beast Bites Gummies provide creatine monohydrate, the gold standard of creatine but packaged in a chewy, fruit-flavored bites. They're designed to make supplementation more fun and appealing for people who don't want to measure powders. After using them regularly, we noticed noticeable improvements in workout endurance, better muscle pump, and reduced fatigue across multiple sessions. The taste was enjoyable, and the convenience of a grab-and-go format helped us stay consistent, which is the key with creatine. The pros of these bites are that they taste great, are easy to take anywhere, and deliver real creatine benefits when used consistently. The cons are that they contain sugar, which may not be ideal for those watching macros. The serving sizes don't always reach the recommended 5 grams daily without eating multiple gummies, and the cost per serving is much higher than powder. Overall, Beast Bites are not a scam. They deliver on creatine's benefits, but they're best suited for people who value flavor and convenience over cost efficiency. If you can afford them and want supplementation to feel enjoyable, these are a fun option. If you only care about results and value, powdered creatine remains superior. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.